The age-old adage, half the fun is in the anticipation, rings true for tech aficionados who are eagerly awaiting the arrival of the iPhone 15 Pro. As experts in the industry work around the clock to speculate its features and capabilities, all signs point to the highly anticipated smartphone finally making its debut in September. With so much buzz surrounding the iPhone 15 Pro, we have taken it upon ourselves to gather the most talked about features that are sure to make it stand out from the competition. From advanced camera capabilities to lightning-fast processing speeds, cutting-edge technology, and advanced features, this device is poised to set new standards for smartphones and promises to be the ultimate game-changer in the world of smartphones. So what are these features everyone's talking about? We've got the inside scoop. Keep watching to learn more about the iPhone 15 Pro's cutting-edge technology and why it's poised to revolutionize the way we think about mobile devices. Single volume button and mute button. This innovation will be similar to the home button on the iPhone 7, the Force Touch trackpad on modern MacBooks. The new buttons are expected to provide an even better user experience, with a single elongated volume button that will allow users to turn the volume up or down based on where it is pressed. The rumored solid-state buttons on the iPhone 15 Pro are expected to provide users with a more reliable and durable experience compared to traditional physical buttons, as there are no moving parts that can wear out or break over time. Additionally, the haptic feedback is said to be more precise and customizable, allowing users to adjust the strength and duration of the feedback according to their preferences. This design choice is aimed at making it easier for users to differentiate between the volume up and down buttons without looking at the phone. The replacement of the mute switch with a small button is also a significant change, as it will replace the mute switch for turning the ringer on and off. It is unclear why Apple has decided to remove the mute switch, but it could be due to the desire to make the iPhone 15 Pro even more water resistant, as the mute switch has traditionally been a weak point in terms of water resistance. Overall, these changes to the buttons on the iPhone 15 Pro are expected to be significant improvements over the previous generation. Ultra-thin curved bezels feature. The iPhone 15 Pro is rumored to feature ultra-thin curved bezels, which would be a departure from the flat-sided design of recent iPhone models. The bezels are the narrow frames around the display that separate it from the phone's frame. By reducing the size of the bezels, Apple can increase the size of the display without making the phone itself larger. This design will make the display appear more seamless, with the glass appearing to disappear into the frame, and the phone will have a design that consists of a front and rear panel made of Corning glass. Any frame around the screen are made of stainless steel, and this change in design is expected to be limited to the iPhone 15 Pro models. In addition to the curved bezel, the iPhone 15 Pro is also rumored to have a titanium chassis, which would be a departure from the stainless steel used in previous Pro models. The use of titanium is expected to make the phone more durable and lighter in weight. Overall, the combination of ultra-thin curved bezels and a titanium chassis would give the iPhone 15 Pro a sleek and modern look and could contribute to a better user experience with a larger display. Larger case fit. Recent leaks and 3D printed models of the upcoming iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro suggest that prior generation iPhone 14 cases may not fit the new iPhone models. The leaked models indicate that there are some small changes in dimensions and camera housing that will make it difficult to use cases designed for the iPhone 14 models. In particular, the larger rear camera housing of the iPhone 15 Pro models and the overall dimensions of the iPhone 15 Pro will require new cases that are specifically designed for these models, and users may need to purchase new cases to accommodate the latest iPhones. It is important to note, however, that these 3D printed models are not official Apple products and may not be entirely accurate, so users should wait for official announcements before making any purchase decisions. Faster Wi-Fi 6E. Wi-Fi 6E is the latest and most advanced version of Wi-Fi technology, and it brings several improvements over its predecessors. The biggest advantage of Wi-Fi 6E is that it offers more spectrum in the 6 GHz frequency band, which is less congested and provides more bandwidth compared to the 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz bands used by earlier versions of Wi-Fi. This means that devices that support Wi-Fi 6E can achieve faster wireless speeds, lower latency, and increased capacity, which is particularly important in environments with many connected devices, such as homes, offices, and public venues. In addition to providing faster and more reliable wireless connectivity, Wi-Fi 6E also supports new use cases that require higher bandwidth, such as augmented reality (AR) and virtual reality (VR) experiences. With the increased spectrum and capacity of Wi-Fi 6E, it's possible to stream high-resolution video, graphics, and other data-intensive content with less buffering and lag. The fact that the iPhone 15 Pro will support Wi-Fi 6E is significant, because it will be one of the first smartphones to do so. This means that users will be able to take advantage of faster and more reliable wireless connectivity in a wide range of scenarios, from streaming high-quality video to gaming and other data-intensive applications. However, it's worth noting that Wi-Fi 6E networks require compatible routers and access points which may not be widely available yet. A-series chips. The A-series is a type of system on a chip (SoC) used in Apple's iPhone, select iPad models, and the Apple TV. Additionally, the A-series chips were utilized in the now discontinued iPod Touch line and the original HomePod one. These chips feature one or more ARM-based processing cores, CPU, a graphics processing unit, GPU, cache memory, and other electronic components, essential for delivering mobile computing functions in a single physical package. The A-series chip is the processor that powers the iPhone, and the upcoming iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to feature an A-series chip built on TSMC's 3nm node. This is a significant improvement over the current 5nm process used in the A14 and M1 chips, allowing for more transistors to be packed into the same size chip. As a result, the 3nm chips are expected to provide a 10 to 15% increase in processing performance while reducing power consumption by up to 35%. It is worth noting that this faster chip will be limited to the iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max models, as the standard iPhone 15 is expected to feature a slightly slower chip. The increased processing power and reduced power consumption should help the iPhone 15 Pro models run more efficiently and handle more intensive tasks, such as augmented reality and virtual reality experiences, as well as demanding mobile games and apps. Increased RAM. The iPhone 15 Pro models are expected to have an increase in RAM compared to the current iPhone models. While the standard models are expected to continue to have 6GB of RAM, the Pro models will have an increased 8GB of RAM. Having more RAM can allow for better multitasking and smoother performance, and can help prevent apps from reloading content when switching between them. For example, with additional RAM, Safari can keep more content active in the background, allowing for faster browsing experiences. Increased optical zoom for iPhone 15 Pro. By incorporating a periscope camera into the iPhone 15 Pro, Apple is following in the footsteps of other smartphone manufacturers that have already incorporated this technology into their devices. The periscope camera allows for better optical zoom capabilities, which is an important feature for users who want to capture distant subjects with clarity and detail. The periscope telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro is expected to offer several advantages over the previous models. The longer focal length and improved optical zoom capabilities mean that the users will be able to capture detailed shots of far-off subjects such as wildlife or sporting events without sacrificing image quality. The lens will also allow users to take better portrait shots, as it will be able to capture more detail and depth in the subject's face and surroundings. Additionally, the use of a periscope camera will allow Apple to maintain the sleek and slim design of the iPhone 15 Pro without compromising on the camera's performance. The lens can be longer without adding bulk to the device, which is an important consideration for users who prioritize portability and ease of use. Overall, the inclusion of a periscope camera is a significant upgrade for the iPhone 15 Pro, and is expected to make a significant impact on the device's camera capabilities. Improved LiDAR scanner. LiDAR stands for Light Detection and Ranging. The TOF, also known as the Time-of-Flight scanner, uses light to determine the distance between two objects, and it measures the time taken by a light source to reach an object and reflect. When employed, it can measure the distance between the camera bump and other objects up to 5 meters away, both indoors and outside. With this info, the scanner can sense and make a picture of everything the light touches. It enables the scanner a perception of depth that is quite like our human eyes. According to Ming-Chi Kuo, a reliable Apple analyst, the iPhone 15 Pro models will come with a more power-efficient LiDAR scanner supplied by Sony. This new scanner is expected to improve 3D depth scanning performance for AR apps and night mode photos. Dark red color option. Yes, according to recent reports, the iPhone 15 Pro models will come in a new dark red color option. This will be in addition to the existing color options for the device, and the color is expected to be a deep shade that adds a touch of sophistication and elegance to the device. Apple typically introduces new color options with its iPhone lineup each year, so this is not unexpected. The dark red color is expected to be a new and unique addition to the lineup, adding more variety for users to choose from. Dynamic Island. As per the report, Apple has decided to keep the 4 screen sizes for the iPhone 15 series models the same as that of the iPhone 14 series. The company is also planning to introduce the Dynamic Island feature in all 4 iPhone 15 models. Dynamic Island is a pill-shaped section that replaces the notch on previous iPhone models, and Dynamic Island can not only display basic information and notifications, but it can also appear to expand in size to show more information. Users can tap on it, giving them a new way to interact with their iPhone by serving as a hub for shortcuts, as you can tap to bring you directly to apps you're using, running in the background, like a music streaming app and a timer. Through software, Dynamic Island can be transformed into various shapes and sizes to showcase live activities, system alarms, and other information. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro is a highly anticipated smartphone that is expected to revolutionize the way we interact with mobile devices. And it is shaping up to be an impressive device that offers a host of advanced features and capabilities. With its solid-state buttons, ultra-thin curved bezels, Wi-Fi 6E support, 3nm A-series chip, increased RAM, and improved camera capabilities, users can expect lightning-fast processing speeds, longer battery life, and stunning photographs. This device promises to be faster, more powerful, and more efficient than any previous iPhone model. Additionally, the increased RAM and improved LiDAR scanner will enhance the device's performance and AR capabilities. The periscope telephoto lens on the iPhone 15 Pro Max will offer an extended range of zoom capabilities. With the new dark red color option, we'll add a touch of elegance to the device's aesthetics and also provide users with even more personalization choices. Overall, the iPhone 15 Pro promises to be an innovative and exciting device that will raise the bar for smartphone technology, and undoubtedly be a flagship device that will raise the bar for all smartphones to come. Alright guys, that wraps up our video for today. So which of these upcoming features on the iPhone 15 Pro are you looking forward to the most? Let us know in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing content.